प्रोफेसर मोनिका सेठी हुंदे अगे विनती करगे जे वो भी सारे दर्शकों का स्वागत करें।
Professor Manoj Kedhar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Jammu, Professor Lalit Magotra, President, Dogri Sanstha, Mr. Govardhan Singh Jamwal, Chairman, Kunwar Viyogi Memorial Trust, Professor Shivdev Manhas, Head, Department of Dogri, University of Jammu, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. I join Professor Shivdev ji in welcoming you all to yet another edition of Cheten Di Ladi, the annual scholarship program organized by the Kunwar Viyogi Memorial Trust. I extend a warm welcome to our worthy Vice Chancellor, Professor Manoj Dhar ji. Sir, your presence amongst us is always a source of great encouragement. I heartily welcome Professor Lalit Magotra ji, whose dedication to the cause of Dogri language and culture is remarkable. I also welcome Mr. Govardhan Singh Jamwal ji. Sir, the society in general and the university in particular truly appreciates this Trust's commitment towards the promotion and preservation of Dogri language and culture. I would like to share with the audience here that the Trust has instituted 2 annual scholarships which are awarded to the toppers of the Department of Dogri and the Department of English for furthering the research and study in this area, for facilitating this study area and preservation and development of the Dogri language. This year, however, these scholarships will be awarded a little later when the results of the 4th semester are declared, which have been delayed because of the COVID situation. Looking forward to better and safer times ahead, I welcome you all. Thank you.